Hey everybody, it's Aurora from Aurora's Apothecary. Tonight, we're in my kitchen, and we're going to talk a little bit about tinctures. So, tinctures are alcoholic extracts, which means we're taking the plant material and extracting it in alcohol. So, here in Wisconsin, you'd be like, woo, alcohol! But in all actuality, they don't taste very good. So, every day, I make my tinctures into a tincture cocktail. So I take a nice pretty glass like so, and I take my mixture of tinctures. So what I'm taking for tinctures right now is Solomon Seal. Taking Solomon Seal for my back. My back really hurts, and this helps the joints and the lubrication and helps heal the tendons. So we're working on that. So I'm going to put a little bit of Solomon Seal in here. 2. And next, I'm going to use our Immune Boost. Just the other day, I was dealing with, I think an ear infection, but I think I caught it real quick, so the pain only lasted 2 days. So I'm taking just a little Immune Boost. We have astragalus and echinacea in that one. These are all available at Aurora's Apothecary. And my very good friend, we make a nettle tincture also, but my friend at Hinjam Apothecary, Jam, this is her nettle tincture, and I've been terribly sneezing lately, so I'm going to try this, and it's for allergies, so I'm hoping that will take care of the situation. So I got all my tinctures in there. Yummy. Not at all. So what I'm going to do is take some very strong juice. I've got lemonade here. And we're going to put some lemonade in. We do a fun thing called tincture face. When people take their tinctures right in front of us, we take their picture because it's always like, it's a terrible, terrible face, tincture face. It's super fun though. So this is my tincture cocktail. I'm putting some cranberry in there. Mix it around. And cheers to our health. Delicious. And no tincture face. So, from Aurora's Kitchen, I'd like to say happy tincturing. Come in and get some. And now you know how to take them, and they won't taste so terrible. All right, have a good night. Bye.